everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're covering the latest curtain trends for living rooms in 2024. Curtains are more than just a way to block light, they're a key style element that can totally transform your space. So, let's jump into 8 trending curtain ideas that will make your living room stylish and cozy in 2024. Sheer elegance. First up, we have sheer curtains. Sheers are perfect for a soft, airy look, allowing natural light to flow in while adding a touch of elegance. Sheer curtains in soft white, blush, or beige are trending this year and can make your living room feel light and inviting. Two. Velvet for a luxe look. Velvet curtains are all about luxury and warmth. They add a rich texture that makes any room feel upscale. In 2024, jewel tones like emerald green, deep blue, and rich burgundy are especially popular. Velvet is also great for blocking light and giving your space a cozy vibe. 3. Patterned curtains for personality. Next, patterned curtains are trending big this year. From bold geometrics to subtle florals, patterns can add character to a neutral room. Just be sure to pick a pattern that complements your decor and doesn't overpower the space. Four. Two-tone curtains. Two-tone curtains are perfect if you want a unique look without going overboard. Choose 2 complementary colors, like navy and white or beige and gray, to create a visual impact that's subtle but stylish. This trend is perfect for a modern and polished feel. 5. Sustainable and natural fabrics. Sustainable fabrics are a huge trend in 2024, with more people choosing eco-friendly options like organic cotton, linen, or bamboo. Not only are these fabrics better for the planet, but they also add a natural, cozy touch to your living room. 6. Floor-to-ceiling curtains for drama. If you want to add height and drama, go for floor-to-ceiling curtains. These instantly make your living room feel larger and more luxurious. Stick to solid colors or subtle patterns, and choose lightweight fabrics for an elegant drape. 7. Layered curtains. Layering curtains is a trend that's practical and stylish. Combine a sheer layer with a thicker fabric to give you control over light and privacy. This also adds depth and texture to your room, making it feel more dynamic. 8. Minimalist panels for a clean look. Last but not least, minimalist curtain panels are perfect for those who prefer a clean, modern look. In 2024, sleek, straight lines and solid, neutral colors are on trend. These panels keep your space looking simple and clutter-free. And there you have it, 8 curtain ideas to elevate your living room in 2024. Whether you're into luxe velvet, airy sheers, or modern minimalist panels, there's something here for every style. Let us know in the comments which trend you'd like to try, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design tips. See you in the next video.